Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we shall discuss about the diesel generator oil consumptions. Okay, so in many interview questions, it is been asked ki what is the oil consumption of a diesel generator, and we answer in such a way ki that is not accurate according to me. So today we shall come to know about the actual way to answer the oil consumption of a diesel generator. So let's get started. And before started, I would tell you some standard DG size. You know that the unit of a DG is kVA rating. Okay, and most standard DG size for the industries is such like 500 kVA, 600 kVA, 625 kVA, 750 kVA, 1010 kVA, 1250 kVA, 1500 kVA, 2000 kVA, etc. Okay, so it is not being possible to calculate for all the standard DG sizes and to answer for the interview. So we have to use some trick to remember, so that we should go ahead for the standard size is 500 kVA. Okay. As you know, diesel generator is designed on the power factor 0.8. So I have mentioned here 0.8 and kilowatt. PF is equal to kilowatt by kVA. So here kilowatt equal to kVA into PF equal to 500 into 0.8 equal to 400. Okay, so 400 kilowatt. So it is very easy. 500 kVA DG rating, 0.8 power factor, and kilowatt is 400. Okay, so here I am mentioning loading. If it is not mentioned, or if it is not asked ki 80% loading or 75% loading, so we will consider 100% loading condition. 100% loading condition oil consumption of diesel generator. Okay, so if 400 kilowatt DG at 100% loading runs for 1 hour, then kWh will be 400 into 1. Okay, equal to 400 kWh. I repeat, kilowatt is 400, loading condition is 100%, then and it is running for the 1 hour. So kWh is equal to kilowatt into 1 hour is equal to 400 kWh. Okay. Right now, what I told earlier at the start of the video, sometime we answer ki oil consumption of a diesel generator is 3.7 kWh per liter. But this is not the accurate answer, because it is like diesel generator efficiency per kWh power consumption. Okay, it means that 3.7 kWh energy is being consumed utilizing 1 liter of diesel. Okay, but we have to answer liter per hour unit. Okay, always remember the oil consumption of a diesel generator should be expressed liter per hour. Okay, so most of the popular or renowned DG manufacturers like Cummins keep 4 as a kWh per liter. Okay, they use this data as for their design of their diesel engine. So we will go ahead with this data. Okay, so kWh is 400 kWh, and we have a data for the 4 kWh per liter. Okay, practically it remains 3.6, 3.7, 3.8. Okay, and it also depends on the way you are maintaining the diesel generator. Okay, so here oil consumption per liter will be oil consumption liter per hour will be 400 by 4 equal to 100 liter per hour. So this is the answer. So here it comes out 500 kVA DC. If it runs for the 100% loading for 1 hour, it will consume 100 liter per hour diesel oil or fuel oil. Okay. So if we remember this, and if it is being asked ki diesel loading condition is 80%, then you have to consider the 80%, and it will be calculated like, let me raise. I am also showing for the 80% loading. 80% loading condition, it will be 320 kilowatt into 1 hour. It will be 320 kWh, and oil consumption liter per hour will be 320 by 4 equal to 80 liter per hour. If it is not mentioned, then always consider 100% as the diesel generator loading condition. Okay, so 100 during 100% loading, it is 100 liter per hour. Okay, now just remember, say 500 kVA DC, 100% loading, it is 100 liter per hour. Then 1250 kVA, it is 2.5 times of 500 kVA, correct? Then the answer will be 100 into 2.5, 250 liter per hour. Okay, and for the 1500 kVA, it will be the 3 times, 3 into 100, 300 liter per hour diesel oil consumption for the 1500 kVA. So you don't need to calculate, you don't need to remember, or don't need to burden your head. Okay, so always remember 500 kVA DC for 100% loading condition, it consumes 100 liter per hour diesel oil. So you can just have a common sense like 1250 kVA DC, it is a 2.5 times of 500 kVA, or 1500 kVA DC, it is like a 3 times of the 500 kVA DC. So you can easily calculate 300 liter per hour to 250 liter per hour. But these are all for the 100% loading. If it is being mentioned 80%, 75%, 60%, then you have to calculate accordingly. Okay. So guys, I think I have delivered some informative video to all of you. So give a like, give a comment, and if you have any question related to this video or diesel generator, just put in the comment box. Okay, so that I can prepare many more videos for you guys. Thank you.